Thank you very much. A very pleasant morning, everyone, and we welcome you to another edition of our Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum. This is our first session for the year 2025 as we gave way to the SMCPSA Awards Night na napaka-successful. So what a way to start the session for 2025 because we are here at LGR Sportswear Office sa Vito Cruz, Manila, and we will be talking about a very big event, Ironman 70.3 Puerto Princesa on March 2. But before we formally start our session, we would like to acknowledge our sponsors, San Miguel Corporation, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, Milo, PLDT, Smart, and Arena Plus. And on behalf of our PSA President Nelson Beltran, hope that you are with us through our live streaming at PSA page, Facebook account, likewise on a delayed basis over Radyo Pilipinas, sa natin pa rin Sports Radio. And today, what a way to start our session because we are having our friends from Ironman 70.3 Puerto Princesa. We have the General Manager and President of our Sunrise Events Incorporated, no other than Miss Princess Galura. Hello, good morning!
Good morning sa lahat ng nanonood, saka sa lahat ng dito, and thank you sa LGR kasi pinaunlakan nila tayo dito sa office nila. And from now on, we will always try na imbitahin kayo off PSC. Sorry, Chairman, minsan niliramin ko sila.
Thank you, Miss Princess. Of course, LGR Sportswear Office, ang kanila pong President, Mr. Ryan Cruz. Hello, good morning, sir. Thank you for inviting us here.
Good morning to everybody. PSA Forum, guys, thank you for coming.
Yes, okay, kasama din po natin sa panel ngayon dito. Isa sa mga athlete ba and participants, Miss Princess si Mervin Santiago. Hi, Mervin.
Hello po.
Yes. Okay, so before we formally start our session for today, meron tayong patikin. It's a teaser sa isang edition ng Ironman 70.3. Nangyari po sa Puerto Princesa. I think this was in 2023. Okay, so let's have this para mas exciting ang ating discussion later for the Ironman 70.3 Puerto Princesa 2025.
So napapanood nyo ngayon, ito yung ginanap na Ironman 70.3 Puerto Princesa noong 2023. Yun yung Tri-Club Championship namin, Judith, no? So mapapakita dito, lumanding sa Puerto Princesa at nagkaroon kami ng expo kung saan nung time na yon mga higit 500 participants ang sumali galing siguro sa mga over 40 countries. Tapos yan, nakita nyo si Mayor Byron. Tapos pangalawa nila yan na staging noong 2023. Of course, nandun kami noong November kasi it's in time for the Subaral Festival noong 2023. This year, itataon naman natin sa kanilang Balayong Festival. Makikita nyo dyan mga iba't ibang mga coaches na sinasabi bakit masayang magkarera sa Puerto Princesa. Mamaya maaari yung tanungin si Mervin, bakit siya kakaibang race course. Yung mga yan, iba galing Manila, may iba dyan galing Baguio, may mga iba dyan, ayun na nga, 40 plus countries yan noong 2023. Siyempre, nandun yung ating mga sponsors, no? Global sponsors and local sponsors. Yan, makikita nyo si Gab Rosario yan naman. So yan yung transition natin sa Baywalk. Diyan basically sila magsa-start lumangoy.
How many participants in 2023?
Parang hindi ko actually malala, pero higit sa 500.
Wow.
Yan yung prinsesa na nasuot ko yung t-shirt, no? Kasi natural, nasa Puerto Princesa tayo. So dapat may pa-run tayo for the girls. So tinawag namin siyang Prinsesa Run. Kung sa Davao, ang pangalan niya Guapa Davawenya, sa Cebu, Reyna Bulacna, pag sa Puerto Princesa, Prinsesa Run. So natural, may corona sila. O yan. Siyempre may tumakbo rin na gustong maging prinsesa. Yan. Ano Ano lang to, Judith, it's a community run 5K. Kasi gusto natin maging part ng mga kaganapan, yung mga asawa, girlfriend, ganyan ano. Ito naman, Iron Kids. Iron Kids natin, 6 years old to 15 years old. This was an aquathlon, meaning it's a run, swim. Pero mauna muna yung swim. Nag-swim and run kami doon sa kanilang sports complex, no? Apakaganda ng kanilang pool. 50 meters pa yun, or 25? 25 meters yun, sabi ni Mervin. Ang sponsor natin si RLC. So sila pa rin ang sponsor natin this year. So yan, mga bata, nung time na yun, higit 100 eh. Parang kung maalala ko, 123 kids from 6 years old to 15 years old.
Okay, so I think Miss Princess, we have an idea of what happened in Puerto Princesa, and now we will talk about what will be happening this year, 2025. Okay, so how big is Ironman 70.3 Puerto Princesa, the fourth, the third time in Puerto Princesa?
Ang ating karera ngayon, Judith, nilipat natin from Subarao Festival November to March. Kasi nga, gusto naman maiparating ni Mayor Byron na may iba namang oras or panahon sa Puerto Princesa na maganda rin dumalaw, which is yung Balayong Festival. Balayo means cherry blossom. So meron silang Palawan cherry blossom na mag-full bloom tuwing March. Kasabay rin yun ang foundation day ng kanilang syudad. Yun ano, tapos meron tayong Natural Princesa Run on Friday, meron pa rin tayong Iron Kids ng Saturday, at meron tayong 70.3 ng Linggo. Yun.
But the biggest and the newest, as far as Ironman 70.3 Puerto Princesa is concerned, is having an event sponsor, di ba?
Oo, basically, actually, ganito yung story. Kwento ko na ng mabilisan na. Magkakilala kami ni Miss Sonia, matagal na. Siguro mga 20 plus years ago. Pero bata pa kami. Miss Sonia
is the
founder and the mother of Ryan. Nung panahon ko sa IMG, sila yung na-awardan ko na gumawa ng lahat ng mga jerseys ng Ironman, ng PBA teams, no? Na 10 teams. So, kasi for the first time, we were doing sublimation. And for the first time, we are changing the logos of all the PBA teams. Tapos, nag-move on na ako, sila rin, lumaki na, nag-football. Nakita kami, recently na isa naming common friend. So, doon naging LGR. And Ryan, pumapasok ka sa right time sa Ironman. Kasi this year, bumalik na Mervin ang finisher shirts. Because in the last 2 years, hindi kami nag-finisher shirt. Ang finisher shirt, yun lang ang, aside from bragging rights, yun lang ang dala ng mga participants So, syempre, gusto namin merong magandang quality at mabibida rin yung LGR. Kasi suit namin ni Mervin talaga siyang maganda.
Yes, okay. So, Mr. Ryan Cruz, ang ating president ng LGR Sportswear. Ano nga ba ang LGR? Paano natin ibibida si LGR?
Bali, LGR is initial namin ng sibling. So, it's Lucky, Gary, and Ryan. Pero meron pa kami isang sister. So, si Eunice. Hi. So, medyo big, 80%. So, yun.
The princess on the
Okay.
throne.
Bali, unang-una, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Miss Princess. Nabigyan na nga kayo ng heads up ni Ma'am. Years ago, she gave us our first break with PBA. So, tatapakan nun. Kung every time na pumupunta ako sa IMG office, kinakabahan ako kasi makikita ko si Miss Princess. Ngayon, she's giving us another incredible opportunity. This time with Ironman. Thank you, Ma'am. For this, LGR moved not just another partnership. It's the perfect opportunity to showcase what we can really do beyond basketball.
Yes.
Bakit? Kasi every day we receive a lot of emails parating tinatanong, gumagawa pa kayo ng ibang sports? So kasi nakikita lang nila sa TV yung branding ng LGR, always nakikita nila sa PBA, ngayon sa ESL. So hindi nila alam na 3 decades ago pa kami gumagawa ng food sports na kapan. Okay. So we built our name in team sports. Pero mula noon, we've always been about something bigger. Ito nga yung multi-sport. Okay. Siguro sana wag ma-misinterpret ng mga tao. Still, ang LGR still a manufacturer of sports uniform. Pero, ang nangyayari ngayon is, nagiging plant na siya. So, parang 10-15 years ago, kwento ko lang. So, parang nag-meeting kami ni Sir M sa Ateneo. Parang unang-una ko narinig na sabi niya, Ryan, yung LCR nagiging brand na. So that time, hindi pa rin, wala akong idea. Ang alam ko lang, gumagawa lang kami ng uniform. In short, mananahin. Parang, pero ang sinabi niya, hindi Ryan, sabi niya, yung LCR, unti-unti na nakikilala na as brand. So, thank you po sir. And another thing na, parang gusto ko tawagan din yung LCR ngayon na parang hybrid na manufacturing company. Bakit ko sinabi nga yun? Imagine, 3 decades ago, 36, 38 years, parang sinasabi, ang tagal na namin gumagawa. Yung expertise ni Mama, sinali niya lang kay sinali niya sa amin. So, ano yung mga expertise niya? Patterns, pag-check ng fabric, stitching, application, and imagine yung expertise 38 years plus yung group namin ngayon na yung bagong group namin na tinutulungan namin ng LCR. Siguro, kaya ako siya tinatawag ngayon na hybrid na company. Okay? So, 5 minutes na lang. People know LCR for making, last 5 minutes. People know LCR for making basketball jerseys. Pero yung totoo, we do so much more. Para sa mga runners at endurance athletes, we develop featherweight, breathable, and durable na produkto. Okay. So I myself, nagsa-cycling ako. So alam ko yung maganda para sa kote ng mga atleta. So first time nung meeting ko si Miss P, so parang sinasabi ko, teka, dapat ilabas ko na yung mga telang magaganda talaga na malalambot na for Ironman talaga. Okay, so every piece we make is designed with performance in mind. So our gear is made to move. Okay. Again, maraming salamat, ma'am. Salamat sa Ironman. Thank you to Sunrise Event. Thank you for trusting LCR. And we are honored to be part of this journey. Salamat.
Congratulations. We will be the icebreaker. Dati kasi, God bless his soul.